Alright, for number 7, this one, we can't split up the division like we did earlier in number 4. What we need to look for is factoring. See if we can factor the top, or we could use synthetic division, but factoring does work here, as long as you remember how to factor the sum of two cubes. So if not, you can fall back on synthetic division, but sum of two cubes isn't too bad. Remember we had a saying for the signs, SOAP. The first sign is always the same as the original here, so this is going to be a plus. This first sign in here is going to be the opposite, and the last one's always positive. S, same. O, opposite. A, P, always positive. So in the first binomial here, we're taking the cube root of x as our first term, cube root of 8 for the second one. First term in the trinomial, we're taking this first one times itself, so x squared. The last one in the trinomial is this term times itself, so 4. And then in the middle, we just have this times this, so 2x. So now, if we write it that way, we can see the x plus 2's cancel out. So we can take the definite integral from 0 to negative 1 of x squared minus 2x plus 4. Now it's in a simpler format. We can do the antiderivative. We get 1/3 x cubed minus x squared plus 4x. We're evaluating that from 0 to negative 1. So we get 1/3 times negative 1 cubed minus negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1. All of that minus 1/3 times 0 cubed minus 0 squared plus 4 times 0, which is all going to come out to be 0. So for this one, we end up with negative 16/3.